Introducing the Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Mini Chopper. This rechargeable, cord-free compact 4-cup chopper boasts an LED display panel for powerful performance and portable convenience. This mini yet mighty kitchen essential quick charges in 2 hours for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. Equipped with a 4-cup capacity work bowl, precision stainless steel blade, a 3-foot removable USB cable port, and a rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time. The Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Mini Chopper has reversible grind and chop buttons, so you can accomplish any meal prep task quickly and efficiently. With the patented Cuisinart blade lock, the blade always stays in place. Chop cheese, garlic, onion, and nuts to create delicious dishes in minutes. Grind spices and peppercorns to create rubs and seasonings. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Mini Chopper.